Hello and welcome to another video of the Merlebone Implant Center. The topic today is teeth in a day, and I would like just to explain to you a little bit more about this concept. Teeth in a day means that in the same day that we place the dental implants to replace the missing teeth, we are able to fit straight away a set of acrylic teeth, temporary acrylic teeth on top of the implants. So if we have multiple teeth missing, we will be fitting an acrylic temporary bridge, and if we have just one tooth missing, we will fit just a single temporary crown. So it doesn't mean that in reality we will fit the final teeth on top of the implants and that would solve the problem from day one. It means that with this concept the patient won't have to fiddle with a denture, with something removable or with a gap. The patient will have from day one straight away some fixed teeth, temporary teeth on top of the implants. The other question that I'm usually asked about is if we can utilize this concept in all situations, and unfortunately not. In order to be able to fit straight away a set of temporary teeth or just a temporary crown on top of the dental implants, we need to make sure that the dental implants are very stable when we place them. So what does it mean that the implants are stable? It means that in the moment that we are inserting the implants in the bone, we need to have a certain amount of friction that we can measure with a special machine. And if we have that friction, if we have that resistance of the implant when it's being inserted in the bone, in that case we are able to fit that set of acrylic temporary teeth on top of the implants. In some situations, either because the bone is a little bit soft or because some bone is missing and sometimes needs to be reconstructed, then in those situations we are not able to fit that immediate set of temporary teeth on top of the implants straight away. So in those cases we'll need to look for an alternative method to replace the teeth, at least temporarily, until the implants they are not completely healed. Even when we utilize the teeth in a day concept, that means that when the implants then are completely healed, so usually that happens in between 3 to 6 months after the implants are placed, then we will be replacing that set of acrylic temporary teeth by a final set of porcelain teeth, or if it's just one implant, by a porcelain crown, and that will be the final restoration. So again, teeth in a day doesn't mean that we are fitting the final teeth from day one. We are fitting a set of temporary teeth or a temporary crown straight away on the implant. There are lots of benefits. The main one is that patients, they won't have to deal with a denture or with a gap, so they will be comfortable. There are some things that we need to mention when we talk about this concept. So while patients have the temporary teeth, they'll have to have a soft diet in order to protect the implants and also to avoid the temporary teeth to have any kind of problems. And once the implants they are completely healed, then we'll be able to replace them with the final porcelain restoration, either the crown if it's just one implant, or a bridge if we have multiple implants. I hope that the video helped you to understand a little bit more about this concept. I know that media is completely flooded with very unclear information about this topic. Most of the times patients, they think that they will have the final teeth fitted in that same day, which is not the reality. This is a great protocol, this is a great concept, but it's important that the patient is aware of what's going to happen in reality. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you soon for another video with a different topic. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.